Let's take a look at the adjustable temperature kettle made by OXO on Clarity. This is model 871-6900. Features 170 to 212 degrees of adjustable temperature control on the base to keep your water exactly the temperature that you'd like it. Let's see what's included in the box and take a quick overview of the kettle and the base and its features. Gives us a congratulations and before we begin, which says, before brewing, wipe the body of the kettle with a soft damp cloth, rinse the inside and dry thoroughly, fill it with cold water to the max level, complete a boiling cycle, then discard the water. Includes an instruction manual, the base, and the kettle itself. That's all that's included in the box. Packaging materials, the base, and a manual. Alright. So, get a little bit closer look here. Here is the On Clarity adjustable temperature kettle. Again, model 871-6900. It has a soft open lid that's supposed to prevent steam burns and splashing of hot water. It has a removable filter. This is a stainless steel mesh filter, but it is housed in BPA-free plastic. For those that are concerned about any plastic exposure, it is worth noting that when you pour, it is going through the plastic or touching the plastic frame of the stainless steel filter. It can be removed. You could leave it out, but can't really see. Maybe with that angle. There is still plastic housing where that filter rests. So you do get some plastic exposure, albeit BPA-free plastic, during the pour. Okay. Put that mesh filter back in. This holds 1.75 liters of water. It has your liter markings on this side and ounces on this side. Made of Borosilicate Glass, which is temperature shock safe, meaning you can go from very cold to very hot water without cracking the glass. Soft open lid, like I said, to reduce or prevent steam burns and water splashing. This handle is a nice, comfortable handle. Remains cool to the touch always. Also, the base here will stay cool and protect tabletops and counters once it's hot. On the base, we get temperature readings for its suggestion for the different types of tea that you'll be brewing with your kettle. So green and white tea, they suggest 175 degrees. Oolong at 195. Black tea, 200. Herbal tea, 208. And boiling water at 212. You do have a cord with a nice cord wrap here. This cord is 3 feet long. Cord wrap, super nice to keep things clean on your countertop if you decide to keep this out. Potential caveats are you dial the temperature in that you want this to be. You want the water to be. That's 170 to 212 degree range, and press the button. It will heat to that level and hold for 30 minutes. Caveat though is if you remove this from the base during heating or during the 30-minute hold period, it needs to be returned to its base within 60 seconds. Or either the heating process or holding process will turn off, will be disabled. So that's good to know.